Hey Loc family, it's Houston Loc Fairy back again with another tutorial video, and this one is really special to me. Okay, so it's an instant lock transformation because crocheting is amazing, and I think it's the way of the future when it comes to locks. And you'll need just one single crochet needle and also a triple prong crochet needle. So I use the single prong to open up the ends of my client's locks that were braided when he started his lock journey years ago. I can't remember exactly how many years ago, but it was over 2 years ago. As you can see, his locks have grown out, they've matured, but his ends have remained braided plaits. So what we're going to do today is go ahead and get rid of that braided plait look and make it all uniform and match the top of his locks. So we want it to look nice, clean, tucked in, and also the strength of it should be very strong because the foundation of your locks is very important. We're not going to just play around with these ends and then have them end up falling off. So what you want to do is start off by undoing the braid. And it's funny how the ends of your locks stay like this after you've grown them out for so long. You think that they would lock, but actually they don't. And it's the same if you do two-strand twists as well. Sometimes the two-strand twists grow out and you can't even tell that you started with two-strand twists. But sometimes on the ends, like mine, on the ends, you can still see the two-strand twists on the ends. So with the braids, his hair is very thick, it's very strong, and they just stayed. So it never turned into a lock. So I'm going to go ahead and help him out and work the Houston Loc Fairy magic. So this is the triple prong needle, and what I'm doing is I'm going in, I'm grabbing the hair from one side and pulling it out through the other. This is going to start to mat the hair up and intertwine it together so that all of the hair can look similar to the top of his lock. I'm also rolling it with my forefinger and my thumb in a circular motion so that we can get it as rounded out as possible. So you do this all the way up and down, and then I even start to intertwine it with the top of his lock so that it won't be separate from that part. I want it to all fade into each other perfectly so that you don't see any weak spots or any soft spots at all. So it does take time. You do have to be patient. You do need to practice the crocheting technique so that you can instant lock flawlessly without hurting yourself. This can also be very dangerous to your fingers if you do not know what you're doing. So please take one of my classes, watch my videos, send me a DM if you're interested in learning this technique, and I'd be more than happy to teach you. I do have online classes coming soon. So again, as we finish up, I go ahead and just tighten everything up and clean everything up with a single prong needle. These are 0.75 and 0.5 millimeter needles, just so you know. And I like the wooden ones because I think they're more comfortable for my fingers than the rounded ones. So I like to use the wooden ones. And that's pretty much what it is. So you guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I do post regularly, so I will answer your questions. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them for me in the comments, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, as well as subscribe to all of the Houston Loc Fairy videos. I appreciate you guys for watching. I love you all. I wish you all the best on your lock journeys, whether you are doing locks or you're growing your locks. I am here to help the lock community. Please remember that. So if you need any help, look up Houston Loc Fairy. I'm located in Houston, Texas, and that's our finished result. Thank you guys for watching. And don't leave yet. I have a few bonus tips for you when instant locking.